how to collaborate with brands on TikTok. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily collaborate with brands on TikTok. So first thing what you need to do is just build your niche or brands, because brand loves creators with a clear focus, whether it's a fashion or fitness or any other niche such as sports that you like it. And step 2 is you need to stay consistent and post regularly using trending sounds and engage with the audience, because brands want active creators with loyal followers. And another thing what you can do is you can use the TikTok creator marketplace and update your profile and brands so that they can find you directly for the paid partnerships. And so next thing what you need to do is you need to pitch yourself, so you don't have to just keep on waiting. You need to actually source in for that particular brand, whether it's any popular brand or it's just a simple brand. You need to reach out to them by simply heading over to their profile and just directly messaging them or DMing or just emailing them via their email, or you can also DM them through their Instagram or other social networks. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.